How's it going, everybody? Hope you had a good day trading. The market was pretty decent today. It was, if you would have stayed in the trend here down, it would have been fine. You know me, can't do that. Had to go against it, right? Small trades, I only had 187 left in my drawdown in my Take Profit Trader funded account. So we tried our best to save it. We had this loss here that I kept thinking was going to bounce, but it didn't bounce. So it is what it is. For $187 worth of drawdown, we put up a good fight. So learned a lot from that account, so it's good as long as you can take something from it. I learned my drawdown doesn't go down as fast as I thought it did, so I didn't have to be so nervous. I could have probably went a little bit bigger at the beginning and built it up. Now that I know that, for the next one, I definitely will be going a little bigger. But that's the thing, it's all a process, right? You live and you learn, and you figure it out, and you get better or you don't get better. So I'm going to take this as a win in a way, because I had this account for, I don't know, I had it for a little bit. It's been pretty good. I traded it for a little while, so I'm not too ashamed with that. And I didn't just blow it right away. So that's progress, I guess. But yeah, I stayed really small all the time. I went a little bit bigger at, I guess, the middle or something like that. But then I went small again because I got nervous because it was down around 1200 in drawdown. So just shows me if I would have stayed the size I was, the trades that I won when I was trading them, I would have been back up to break even or over the buffer. But I was going smaller size because I was too nervous about a drawdown. But now that I know the drawdown, it can last a lot longer than it seems with Take Profit Trader. So I don't have to be so worried about it. So I can probably, even after I'm down a little bit, I can stay the normal size that I trade and look for the trades that I normally take and take them with bigger size and then get the account back up. So now knowing that moving forward, I'll definitely be doing that. But also our trade day account, we had that, we got it up 91. We made like, it's got 5 trades here, 4 winners, 1 loser, but it's not, I just add it to the trades. But the first trade was down 800 right off the bat, and the next trade was back up, and we took it right back up to, well, it was 930. So, right, 800, 930. So we ended up with 91. So, another kind of setup like that. I was looking forward to just that kind of day, eh? Like, I was looking forward to, after opening range breakout, I was looking forward to the dip here. When it came down, I was like, all right, we're gonna go sweep all these lows, we're gonna go down, and it started turning around and it wicked back down. I'm like, oh, okay, so it's going down this time. And then it just kept on climbing, kept climbing, and I was like, maybe I should get out here. I was talking to people in the chat because we were live streaming at the time, and I was like, I was talking to Pat, always talking to Pat. Pat's awesome. But anyway, came up to the top of the range, and I said, well, it's not going to keep going, right? And it just, that's literally what it did, was keep going. So I stopped out up here at the 50s. I was hoping we're going to get a bounce off the 50s back down to here, and then continue down, at least to the 80s, but we did not get that, of course, because that's how it works sometimes. So after I seen this little consolidation here, set up like a little bull flag, a little choppy bull flag, but I started taking 4 micros each time. Took 4 here, took 4 here, took 4 here, or did I take 4 or 8? I took 4. Yeah, okay. So I took 4 each time. I think it was 4 times, so it was like 16 contracts altogether. But anyway, I rolled it up for us here because it was starting to push. It was looking for the 610s. So I figured we were going to get the 610s, but I just took it up first. I think it was the 80s. It went up here and it started pulling back a bit, so I was like, nope, I'm getting out. So I got it then. But yeah, so that was decent. We got that back up. Tomorrow we'll trade that. We'll get that up more. We'll get some more Take Profit Trader accounts. We'll get probably a few more trade days. I don't even know. Well, I'm definitely going to Take Profit Trader. But I might get 3 trade days because they're ending their sale soon, I think. I think it's next week or something like that. Or maybe it's the end of the month. I don't even know when it is. Yeah, it could be like next week. 5 days or something like that. So I'd like to get some before they get rid of their deal. Take Profit Trader, still 40% off, no activation fee, no daily loss limit. So if you need any accounts with them, please use code JW. Thanks to everybody using the code. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. You know you are. And also, thanks to everybody liking the stream and watching and coming on. And once we get over 500 subscribers, my big 500, right, we're going to give away some Take Profit Trader accounts. So anyway, that's it for me today. It was a decent day, like I said, and I learned a lot from that funded account. You know, a lot more about the drawdown than I didn't know before. Like, I traded them before, and I blew them pretty quick, you know, when I had I'm after passing a few Take Profit Trader accounts. But that one actually lasted the longest, and I figured it would draw down more. So I guess it was worth something. You know what I mean? And now these trade day accounts are basically the same as Take Profit Trader once they're funded. So there's no activation fee with them either. And I think they got 40% off or like 59 bucks. So I'm definitely going to try the same kind of scenario with them and like not get too worried about when it starts pulling back and then size down too much. So then when I get the trades I was looking for, if I'm looking for Harami or I'm looking for whatever, and I get the setup, I could have been up 500-600 back up over where it needed to be, but now I'm only up probably 200 bucks, you know. So it all adds up, right, when it comes to trading. And I'm gonna try to watch my trends here, because I did this twice in one day, right? I did this here with this one, and then in my Take Profit Trader I did it again. So got to be careful when it starts trending. Normally I try to look for 2 trades, and if it keeps acting up, I'm like, okay, well, what am I doing wrong? But today I was only in 1, but I just left it in longer, so that doesn't make any sense either. That's not very smart. But anyway, that's it for me, man. Hopefully you had a good day. Like I said, if you need any accounts, Take Profit Trader, Code JW. I really appreciate it. Code JW. Can't talk. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Hopefully we'll see you on the live stream. It's a lot of fun. Okay, see ya.